Weeks in a style, but did you actually reset your scalp first? Most installs skip the one step that helps the scalp feel clean and fresh under braids, wigs, and sew-ins. Here's the ToxiTress 5-minute reset to do before every install. Surface buildup, natural oils, sweat, and product residue collects near the hairline and along the scalp. A proper reset removes this residue, creating a clean canvas for your style to feel light and airy again. The ToxiTress ritual is a simple 4-step process for a healthy, comfortable install. Extract, restore, purify, and velvet clean. Each step plays a vital role in your scalp prep. Step 1. Extract helps remove surface buildup. Step 2. Restore is a lightweight mist that preps the scalp for the install. Always follow the label and patch test before you begin. Step 3. Purify with precision oil elixir along your parts to feel refreshed. Step 4. Velvet clean completes the routine, leaving your scalp smooth and ready for your stylist. Remember, healthy installs start with a healthy scalp. Results vary, so always patch test and follow the product label. Stop use if irritation occurs. It's all about a safe, premium reset. Which style are you installing next? Braids, wigs, or locs? Tell us in the comments. Subscribe for more education and visit toxitress.info for the full playlist. See you next time.